it acts on the liter per minute what I have set it, or just on the RPM?
No, accordingly the RPM. We are manually increasing, adjusting the RPM only.
RPM.
If you set the LPM like our heart lung machine, the RPM will fluctuate according to the preload and afterload.
That's what I'm asking.
That is the main thing. This is centrifugal pump, because it is mainly depends on the preload and afterload sensitivity.
Agreed.
Any sensation over the patient, even SVR also, or the patient this one contractility or the pressure, the flow varies.
Flow varies.
So
okay.
there will be a higher fluctuation in RPM
So
to maintain that flow 3 liter and 3 liter.
That's the basic principle. But I'm
Okay.
asking. So whensoever we are starting the management thing, this what do you call? The intervention.
Intervention. Okay.
So it depends on the RPM or liter per minute. That's what I'm asking.
The interventions are mainly based on the flow.
Liter per minute.
Liter per minute.
That's what I'm asking.
Okay.
So the interventions
We are
on
but adjusting the RPM only, but the pump
That is
detects the
ma-
flow.
That is the manual thing. If
Yeah.
I'm standing in
Standing,
front.
yeah.
And but this is the automatic console. It's
Yeah.
supposed to have that capacity. So I'm just titering that I
Okay.
have to think of the flow or I have to think of the RPM.
It
That is my
detects the
question.
flow.
It detects
Detects the flow, and the RPM is also accordingly. So kind of
So
zero
as,
flow.
so as soon as I start the intervention, so that's what my question is.
Okay.
So as soon as if I'm seeing something happening, if there is pressure drop or something, so I have to intervene with the LPM or I have to go through the RPM first.
What intervention you are preferring?
Anything. It might I require to increase, might I require to decrease.
Okay, see if the patient.
Sometimes what he means to
Okay.
say, sometimes venous flow is less, so it's running suppose 2 liter and we want to give 2.5 liters. So what he wants to know, we have to go with increasing RPM or
No, only-
liter per minute will increase its own or depends.
See, at that time we have the
RPM
only
will
option of
increase.
RPM,
Okay.
but depends on the already the return is low. Same happening here, the afterload is reduced.
Even after
Even
increasing
you
the
try to
RPM,
reduce, increase.
liter per minute remains the
हाँ,
same.
even you try to increase the RPM, the flow won't increase because of the lower.
ठीक है.
मतलब ये खुद ही नहीं करेगा, मतलब ये जो लीटर पर मिनट फ्लो वो सर्वर रेगुलेट करेगा ना, तो
एक्चुअली फ्लो
हम
हाँ, लेकिन उस टाइम में देखो RPM इट विल ट्राई टू मैनेज, उसमें
नहीं,
भी
नहीं,
ज्यादा
अगर 2 लीटर फ्लो आ रहा है वीनस से 2 लीटर पे चल रहा है, ऐसा नहीं कि अगर वीनस रिटर्न बढ़ जाएगा तो ये 2 लीटर से अपने आप ऊपर चला जाए या इसके आरपीएम बढ़ जाएंगे या कम हो जाएंगे, वो उतना ही रहेगा.
वो मैनुअली खुद ही करना
वो मैनुअली
In the control setting itself. Control setting में भी same ही principle work करेगा. ठीक है.
ओके.
अब ये हो गया सब. ठीक है. अभी कुछ और क्वेरी है किसी की?
क्वेरी है स्क्रीन या कनेक्शन और सेटिंग बटन में कैसे ऑन ऑफ करना है?
नहीं ठीक है. अभी इमरजेंसी मोड्स आप
No, I'll explain that. Okay. So mainly blender, everybody knows blender, whatever the heater unit भी same
ठीक
है.
है.
और इसका
ऐसे शो करता है मैनुअल सेटिंग.
इसका कुछ शुरू में मिनिमम आरपीएम सेटिंग करने के लिए या कैलिब्रेशन हो कुछ
मिनिमम
बस?
नहीं, it is better to start with 1500. That is the mentioned here, like
हाँ,
उसमें zero flow जैसी है.
हाँ.
और
नहीं तो वो
बेस वाला सेट भी करते हैं 1500 आरपीएम का ही।
नहीं,
नहीं 1500 आरपीएम पे जैसे हमने इसको सेट कर
सेट
दिया.
करना.
अगर फ्लो कम होता है तो क्या अलार्म देगा या अपने आप फ्लो रिड्यूस कर देगा?
नहीं ऐसे नहीं होता सर.
क्या
1500 आपको सेट करना होगा.
1500 हमने सेट कर
जी.
दिया, अभी रिटर्न कम है
जी
तो ये अलार्म देगा कुछ
हाँ.
अगर आप
अगर सेट फ्लो नहीं आ रहा है तो फिर अलार्म नहीं जाएगा.
तो ये कम तो नहीं करेगा आरपीएम इसका?
कर देगा.
ऑटोमेटिक नहीं आरपीएम कम आपको करना होता है मैनुअली. यू हैव टू एडजस्ट द
Based on the
बेस्ड
flow.
ऑन द आरपीएम फ्लो और व्हाटएवर.
नहीं the control system is based on flow because
हाँ, flow.
flow
It will tell you the alarm and you have to intervene in that situation.
okay. And if I have switches on the intervention mode,
Mhm.
then it does automatically.
No, at that time it will only show the interventions now. I'm not getting what you are
So-
doubting.
Then how's
So-
that intervention?
हाँ.
So I'm
Servo
see,
relaxation would-
my question is
Okay.
does this console intervene or it just shows the intervention alarm?
Interventions are, I will tell you, zero flow.
Zero flow.
Okay, then arterial flow
Okay.
and venous bubble.
Bubble.
These are the intervention.
Okay.
And back flow also.
Backflow. So these are the four interventions.
3 interventions and 4 sensors.
Four senses. So as soon as suppose there is a arterial bubble, it will stop.
Stop the pump.
First.
Okay. That is the first intervention.
Second is zero
We-
flow. Repeated. If there is a backward flow, it will increase the artery to manage the zero balance.
Okay.
Right.
Third is the venous.
Venous one. As soon as I get the venous anything bubble in the venous line,
Pump
it will
stops.
Pump stop.
These are the three interventions.
And fourth is
Fourth is actually three interventions and four senses.
four senses.
Arterial flow, arterial bubble, venous bubble. Okay, these are the senses.
So basically, we have three interventions and one flow meter is
Okay,
extra.
for one flow meter.
Flow
Right.
meter. Right. Okay. Next.
Okay, so this is the drive. Okay, drive is